Hello, and thank you for your purchase of the Nurse CEO Masterclass. We hope this class helps you discover the many benefits that you are currently missing out on, because you are a nurse, a hard-working lifesaver. But when you freelance, consult, or contract, how are you operating? As a sole proprietor? Then, you are making a critical mistake that is costing you more than you realize. You are unprotected and losing money every single day. Did you know? Right now, you pay the crushing 22% federal tax on every dollar you earn, and your personal assets are completely exposed to business liabilities. What if I told you that you can stop the financial drain by incorporating your nursing license today with an LLC, PLLC, or corporation? That one simple step unlocks the biggest tax advantages in business. Now, you legally pay less FICA tax on your profits, and every business expense is deductible. Best of all, your dedicated bookkeeper ensures you capture it all: your license renewals, CEUs, malpractice insurance, uniforms, equipment, and even your home office. Stop working for the Internal Revenue Service for free. Reclaim your money and your peace of mind with Adding Up Dollars bookkeeping and business building services. Partner with an expert and turn your license into your financial fortress. Do not wait another day or waste another dollar. Take control of your financial future today.
What is nursing? Nursing is a noble and honorable profession that transforms ordinary people into superheroes. It offers multiple specialization areas, diverse career positions, and opportunities for entrepreneurial growth. Although this profession is highly respected and greatly needed, it is not without pitfalls and unforeseen circumstances that could put an end to your nursing career. So what happens when you are sued as an unincorporated nurse? If you are a nurse that works without an LLC, and you are operating your 1099 independent contractor shifts as an unincorporated nurse for a hospital, nursing home, assisted living center, or a staffing agency, you are working as a sole proprietor, which is the riskiest legal move you can make. The greatest nightmare scenario is the complete lack of separation between your professional identity as a nurse and your personal wealth. When you are sued as a sole proprietor, the legal boundary protecting your private life from your business life simply does not exist. This results in unlimited personal liability, which means all of your personal assets are directly on the line. In addition, most nurses are missing out on benefits that are costing them thousands of dollars each and every year. These benefits include loss of personal asset protection. The biggest benefit of an LLC is limited liability. Without it, a nurse operating as a sole proprietor is personally responsible for all business debts, contracts, and legal liabilities. The risk to you: in the event of a significant lawsuit, like malpractice, a contract dispute, or even an injury sustained on your business premises, your home, or while a client is under your care, puts your personal assets, your home, personal bank accounts, and savings at risk, making it all legally vulnerable to loss. Another benefit being missed is a lack of financial clarity and control, which causes missed insights and opportunities for saving money. Without a bookkeeper, you are likely operating without accurate, real-time financial data. You miss out on a clear profit and loss statement that tells you your true profit margin, which services are most or least profitable, whether your rates are high enough to cover your actual overhead. The bookkeeper's role is the most important in helping stay organized and educated on tax write-offs and financial benefits of having an LLC. A bookkeeper provides monthly financial statements, turning guesswork into organized, strategic, and clear financial intelligence. Deducting health insurance premiums is another missed opportunity. Sole proprietors have limitations on deducting health insurance premiums. The S-Corp benefit: if you are the sole employee of your S-Corp, you can generally deduct 100% of the health insurance premiums you pay for yourself and your family. Nurses that are not incorporated have no access to major advanced retirement plans, which is another missed opportunity, as sole proprietors are limited to simpler retirement plans. With the LLC or S-Corp benefit, you gain access to powerful plans like a solo 401k or SEP IRA, allowing for much larger pre-tax contributions, drastically reducing your current year taxable income. By failing to track expenses with a bookkeeper, nurses often miss deducting ordinary and necessary business expenses that lead to a much higher taxable income. resulting in less money in their paycheck. Nurses lose a lot of money in the form of tax write-offs and deductions related to the cost of scrubs, shoes, and medical equipment. In addition, nurses are missing out on saving hundreds of dollars in work-related travel expenses and mileage each year by not incorporating and working with a bookkeeper. Did you know that as a 1099 independent contractor, you are responsible for paying two main types of tax? Self-employment tax, which is made up of Social Security and Medicare, and federal and state income taxes, which is 25 to 35% of your net income. That amount of taxation is costing you between $12,500 and $17,500 if your average income is $50,000 a year. Ask yourself, are you okay with losing that much money? You might be wondering, exactly how much can a nurse really save by incorporating their nursing license? The financial benefit can easily range from $5,000 to over $20,000 in annual tax savings. If a nurse earns $80,000 per year gross and pays themselves a $40,000 W-2 salary, which is a reasonable compensation, and sets aside $40,000 in distributions in a business checking account, they avoid paying the 15.3% tax on the $40,000 distribution. That alone is a tax savings of approximately $6,120. When an LLC is taxed as an S corporation, distributions are payments of remaining business profits to owners that are not subject to self-employment tax. They are considered a return of the owner's capital contribution and previously taxed income. Your nursing license and clinical expertise are your greatest assets. Here are 3 categories of profitable businesses you can operate through your new LLC. Category 1 is direct patient care and wellness services like concierge or private duty nursing, mobile IV hydration, nurse health coaching, and medical aesthetics. Category 2 includes consulting and health education services like legal nurse consulting, continuing education provider, or as a healthcare facility consultant. Finally, the third category is digital and content services like freelance medical writing and telehealth and virtual care nursing. Don't wait for a lawsuit to learn of the fatal flaw in your nursing career business structure. The cost of forming an LLC is small, compared to the loss of a single major asset that you own. When you form a business, the way you earn money, and the way that money is taxed, changes. You are no longer in the self-employed category, paying a whopping 15.3% in taxes, but you are considered a separate entity altogether. As an incorporated nurse, the fees that you pay to establish your business, to hire a bookkeeper or an accountant, the cost of office supplies like computers, printers, software, business phone lines, and internet services are all tax-deductible expenses, and are no longer a missed opportunity to build your wealth. The greatest gift an incorporated structure like a single-member LLC gives a nurse is peace of mind, with the separation of personal and business liability. It is the legal firewall that protects your life savings from your business's legal risks. If you are fed up with missing out on tax deductions on work-related products and services, if you are tired of losing money by overpaying taxes, and if you are ready to take your nursing profits to a higher level, take the next step. Don't wait another day. Secure your assets and keep more of your hard-earned income. Incorporate today. If you are ready to get started, this masterclass is your key to success. Simply follow the steps below. If you have any questions or concerns, your dedicated business consultant is just a click away. Here's to your success.